Welcome to the ultimate summer water park adventure. Look at those huge slides! Today is going to be amazing! My favorite blue goggles are ready for the biggest wave pool.
Remember to stay together and keep an eye on your things.
Oh no! Wait a minute! Where are my favorite goggles?
They were right around my neck just a second ago!
Don't panic, Mike. Let's think carefully about where you had them last.
We just passed through the main entrance gate together.
Hey, Mike! Are you ready to dive into the giant wave pool?
I can't swim yet, Ben. My special blue goggles are totally missing. Oh no. Don't worry, buddy. We will help you find them.
Let's retrace our steps, step by step, from the very beginning.
First, we went into the changing room to put on our swimsuits.
I remember putting my white baseball cap on this bench over here. Only my towel and shoes are here on the wooden bench.
Check inside your locker carefully, Mike. Maybe they dropped inside.
Nope, nothing in here except my empty backpack and sandals.
Did you wash your face at the sink before we walked out?
I washed my hands right here, but I didn't take them off. What if someone took them? I can't swim without my goggles.
Take a deep breath, sweetie. Staying calm will help us search better.
Okay, where did we go right after we finished changing?
We walked past the snack bar towards the giant wave pool. Keep your eyes open on the pavement. Look everywhere.
They are bright blue with yellow straps, so they should stand out.
I see a red hat and a bottle, but no blue goggles here.
Excuse me, did anyone turn in a pair of blue swim goggles?
Sorry, sir. No goggles here, but check with the lifeguard post.
Wow! Look at those huge waves crashing in the main pool!
There are so many people splashing around in the water. Everyone is having fun, but my favorite goggles are completely gone.
You can borrow my green goggles for now if you want, Mike.
Thank you, Ben. That's super kind, but I really want to find mine.
Look. Lifeguard Mia is watching the pool from her tall chair.
Excuse me, Lifeguard Mia. Can I ask you for some help, please?
Hello there, young man. How can I help you out today?
I lost my favorite blue goggles near the wave pool entrance.
You did the right thing by coming straight to a lifeguard for help. What do your goggles look like? Give me a detailed description.
They are bright ocean blue with soft yellow straps and clear lenses.
Attention staff, we have a report of lost blue and yellow goggles. Copy that, Mia. Let us check the central lost and found station.
Maybe you dropped them while we were looking at the lazy river? Let's check along the wooden railings of the lazy river bridge.
Look down into the water. Do you see anything blue sinking? I see a yellow tube and a pink ball, but no goggles on the bottom.
Excuse me, have you noticed any blue swim goggles on the deck? A little girl turned in some items at the Lost and Found booth earlier.
That building over there is the official water park, Lost and Found.
Really? Let's run over to the Lost and Found right now!
Remember, walk safely on the wet tiles. No running by the pool.
Right. Safety first. I am walking calmly now, Dad.
Hello! Welcome to Lost and Found. How can I help your family today?
Hi. I am looking for my favorite blue swim goggles with yellow straps.
Let me check our daily bin of turned-in pool equipment. We have a lot of items that kind visitors brought to us today.
Let's see. A red snorkel, green fins, a blue water bottle.
Are these bright blue goggles with yellow straps yours, buddy?
Yes! Those are my exact goggles. You found them.
A kind little girl found them near the wave pool and brought them here.
I am so happy. Thank you so much for keeping them safe.
You see, Mike? Staying calm and asking for help really paid off.
Awesome job, Mike. Now we can finally ride the big waves together. Perfect fit. Now I am fully ready for the ultimate splash.
Let's head straight back to the giant wave pool now!
Glad you found your goggles, Mike. Have a safe and fun swim.
Thanks again for your help, Lifeguard Mia. You are the best.
Listen to the siren! The giant wave cycle is starting right now!
Here come the giant waves. Get ready to jump high, Ben.
Look at how tall this wave is. Jump on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That was huge. This is the best water slide day ever.
Everything underwater looks so clear and bright with my goggles.
Look at how much fun the boys are having together in the water. The afternoon sun is so warm and bright over the water park.
That was so awesome. My belly is starting to rumble now.
How about we celebrate finding the goggles with a cool, sweet treat?
They have strawberry, mango, and blueberry fruit ice pops.
Here are 2 giant tropical fruit ice pops for the brave explorers.
This cold fruit ice pop tastes so sweet and refreshing.
I learned a really important lesson today when I lost my goggles. When something goes wrong, getting upset doesn't help at all.
That's right, Mike. Staying calm and asking for help makes everything better.
What a wonderful day of adventure, problem solving, and fun.
I can't wait until our next water park trip together, best friend.
Remember, always stay calm, ask for help, and enjoy the ride. Bye!